brand new iPhone 6s Plus. Now we got the 64 gigabyte model, but it also comes in a 32 gigabyte model and a 128 gigabyte model. We selected gold in color. This is what the box looks like. Very sleek.
Nice. Ooh.
Almost broke the iPhone on the first day.
Almost fell out. Man, it's so clean.
Bling.
Tim, you can look at the unboxing. You watch the video.
Accessories included are the standard. Power it on.
Does it come juice? Oh, okay, cool. It's official apple juice in there.
Yeah, it costs extra
Apple electricity.
because they probably say it's green.
Yeah.
There it is.
Would you say it's pretty responsive?
I'd say it's still in the wrapper, so
Oh, okay.
I'd have to take the wrapper off to get a true test.
Yeah, the screen looks like crystal clear. What's the resolution of that? Is it like a 4K?
It's at least at 19K.
19K, alright.
Alright. There it
Wi-Fi
is.
and everything. Accessories. Those new headphones? I don't know.
Skinny.